Hi folks, John with the Wingman 115 channel. Thank you so much for checking in. I'm always excited when I'm out here grilling in the backyard. Now, you're used to seeing me out in the woods doing a lot of product reviews, and I would have taken this out in the woods, except we have a total burn ban in the entire state of California. There's just wildfires from SoCal all the way up to the Oregon border. It's just crazy the amount of wildfires, but the show must go on. Today we're going to be showcasing the UCO Flatpack portable barbecue grill and fire pit. Now, they make them in two different sizes. They make a small version that is 9 inches by 6 3/4 inches. This is the larger version, which is 13 by 10 inches. So I threw some charcoal in there. We fired it up. We're letting it burn down. We're gonna break out some hot links, get that grilling. But first we're gonna cut away. We're gonna do a quick specs rundown for you guys, show you the ins and outs and all the techie stuff that you folks wanna know. Then we'll come back, see how we're doing grilling the hot links, and then we'll bring it total 360 for some final thoughts. Don't get any better than this, folks. Grilling, SoCal, perfect weather. The show starts now. Well, let's get this party started. Today we're going to be roasting up 100% premium pork cheddar wurst from Hillshire Farms. I just love these. Whenever I go camping, we always bring a package or two with us. Just something about barbecuing out in the woods. Wish we could do that today, but we have to be responsible. While I'm tending the grill, let's talk about some of the features of this grill. First off, just the ease of setup. You saw how quick and easy it was to set it up. I didn't put a lot of briquettes in there, no need to. The way that this grill is designed as sort of like a trough with a V, it just radiates the heat up. So I'm getting a pretty good even cook on these hot links. Now, I really like this 13 by 10 size grill. In the specs, they say that you could cook 6 hamburgers on there pretty easy. And from the looks of it, yeah, that wouldn't be a problem. Also, I could easily double the amount of hot links that I'm cooking right now to 10 or 12 hot links. So if you're with a family, you're with friends, you're at a beach party, you're in the park, you're up in the mountains after the burn ban has been gone away. It's just quick and easy solution, because a lot of folks, they don't like cooking with gas. They don't like the taste of it, and that's understandable. I could see that. Now, the heat is pretty even heat, and I think that's because of the way this is designed as a V. It's just radiating the heat up. I hardly feel any heat down below. So I'm getting a lot of good use out of the charcoal briquettes that I have on there. Now, this being a 13 by 10, you could easily cook 6 hamburgers on there. And with these hot links, I could cook probably 10 or 12, no problem at all. Now, another feature that a lot of my friends have been using this grill as a fire pit for wood, and I've even seen some RVers use like the 2-hour fire logs. Here, let me take that one off the heat so we don't get flare up. Put a 2-hour fire log in there. And some people like that ambiance of just having a fire going while they're camping. I know I do. And they make those fire logs now where they're also food ready. You can make s'mores, you could basically cook off them. So I just love the versatility of this. Packs down, 1.5 inch thick. I know when I did a lot of bicycle tours years ago, this would have worked out really good for that. Because a lot of times you just don't want to eat fast food. You get burned out on it. And you're looking for that energy. A lot of times a good meal like this is morale. You like that morale. Now for some final thoughts on the UCO Flatpack Portable Barbecue Grill and Fire Pit. I'm just gonna cut to the chase. I love it. I wish I would have had this item out 10, 15 years ago when I was doing all those bicycle tours up and down California, camping on the beach and stuff. Just would have made life a lot easier. Plus I like the fact that, so you're not grilling in it, you just want to have a little fire pit for that ambiance, sitting around camp, maybe making some s'mores, doing whatever. Awesome. You're in the desert like I talked about earlier, you can't have those ground fires. Viable solution. You're tailgating, you're at the park, you're car camping, you're RVing, something where you need a packable kit that's not going to take up a lot of room. This is definitely an option for you now. And they also have the smaller version, the 9 by 6 3/4 inch. So if you're just a couple or you're a solo hiker, person goes to the park, whatever, there's definitely choices and options. And I want to say affordability. For me, $39.99, we'll say 40 bucks. Amazon, I would pull the trigger on that all day, every day, and twice on Sunday, just for the ease of setup, ease of use, and made out of stainless steel, and it just works. It doesn't take a lot of charcoal, as we saw, and there's always fuel readily available if you're in the woods, depending on your location. So if I have to rate this between 1 and 5 stars, you guys know how I do that. 1 is a dumper, it goes to the boneyard. 5 is a grand slam. This definitely is a grand slam. It does what it advertises that it's going to do. And like I said earlier, you could grill up to 6 hamburgers, 10 or 12 hot links, or hot dogs, and you're good to go. I just don't see anything negative with this product. This is something that I'm going to leave in the Jeep all the time, my YouTube mobile studio. If you guys follow along on the channel, you guys seen this numerous times on the channel. I'm going to leave this in the back. I mean, it just fits in this. So when they lift the burn ban and I'm able to go up in the woods, we're going to go up there and we're going to do some woods cooking over some open fires. So I'll leave links in the video description below if you want to learn more about this item. Folks, this is John with the Wingman 115 channel. I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. I got to get on some of these hot links now. They're starting to get cold. Take care, folks.